Hello and welcome. I have here a 6-meter Malibu camper van, and these vans I think are a cut above the average. So anyway, I see it won the first place in the motorhome of the year 2023 in the camping bus with bathroom class. So this is going to cost €75,000. And it's 6 meters, as I said, 205 centimeters in width. It's on a Fiat Ducato manual. It's got storage in the bulwark up here, and kitchen block, 2 burners, the washroom with the toilet down there. Slides out. It's under the front forward-facing bench. Here we've got an enormous bed. And you can either sleep lengthwise or widthwise, depending on whatever you feel like. And what's really clever is this. Outstanding. Only Malibu's doing this so far. I don't know why anybody hasn't copied it. Maybe somebody has copied it, haven't seen it yet. Huge wardrobe. You can also get in it from here as well. You don't have to open the bed up. But the fact is, it's incredibly easy to get into. And it offers all of this space, which really is, it's a first, and it's really good. Got the step up there into the bed, which uses storage, and you can take this out if you wanted to. I've got recessed storage compartments, and this bit here and on the other side, which I think is completely pointless. Skylight in the roof, and oh, I didn't mention once I was in here that we've also got a sink coming out like that. Now I've got to point out that whereas I have heard no complaints about the toilet in the Malibu, I have my doubts about sliding toilets. The more working parts you put in something, the more likely something's to go wrong. I'm wondering what that is. No idea. Oh no, sorry, no. In English, lentils. Sorry, it didn't look like lentils. That's like my staple food as well. 2 burners. I said that. I'll show you the sink, and there you go. Can't really expect too much more than that in a vehicle of this size. And storage up there. Fridge down here. And storage under the sink, as you'd expect. Often you see televisions put here. Now, the problem with something like this is anything you put in there is going to fall out, or could fall out. Sorry, if you have to suddenly brake sharply whilst going down a hill. So, to my way of thinking, I'm all in favour as much storage as you can put into something, but make it practical. Nets or something like that. A net device, or like a box device with a net in it, that would be better, I think. There's a kitchen extension here, and as you come in, of course, you've got this logo. There's decorative effects, but it looks quite nice. It'll stop the mosquitoes getting in. They'll get in anyway, they always do. And let's come to the back. So you've got all this space here. As with all camper vans, you know, this will all come up if you want it to. These here, the bars, cross beams, whatever, they'll come out. You see a little bit extra storage in the sides as well. That's the boiler down there. Here we've got large gas cabinet. Of course, as I always say, get a refillable solution. Works much better. And very nice camper van. Here, we'll have a quick walk around the stand, see what else there is. And here we have a charming, which is also 6 meters, so we can compare it. Now what this has got here, got the light there, the skylight, the window, beds in a different way. So they put the kitchen block to include the fridge over here. We've got these cabinets here, which look like there's 3 of them. In fact, oh, that's just the way it opens. But it looks nice. Unfortunately, wasted the corner space up there, and the wardrobe has been reduced in size. But there's a much bigger washroom. You've got the bed size as well, 191 to 150 at the smallest place part, 164 here. Let's come out, and this comes at a cost of nearly 84,000. Look in this one as well. Oh, this is 636 centimeters, sorry. As is that one. As is that one. Oh, as are those two too. Right, so it's the place to come for vehicles which are 636 centimeters in length. So there you have it. There's the Malibu motorhome, campervan 600 LE, and so if you're interested in seeing more vehicles like this, then this is absolutely the channel to be on. I have more. This is the largest channel on YouTube for campervans and motorhomes, and so I have them going back many years. If you want to see what this looked like 5 years ago, for example, you can possibly find it on this channel. So I'm here at Messe Düsseldorf Trade Fair. This is Caravan Salon, which is the largest motorhome and caravan fair in the world. I don't do caravans on this channel, but you can see caravans here as well. And so thanks so much for watching. My very first vehicle was a Malibu. It was dates 1992. The first vehicles that the Carthago actually built were campervan conversions, and so that is where my first vehicle came from. The company, I think, went into business in 1979, so we've been in business for 13 years when my first vehicle was built. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and all the best from me in Germany.